In this video, you will learn how to find special characters in Word document. First, press Ctrl and H on your keyboard to open the Find and Replace window. You can also go to the Home tab, choose Replace, and open the Find and Replace dialog box. Now, let's say you want to find a tab character. In the Find What box, type $T and then click Find Next. Word will search for the next tab character in your document. If you want to find a specific word that has a tab directly before it, you can combine them. For example, type $T followed by the word you want to find. And you don't have to memorize all these codes. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click More if necessary, then open the Special menu. Word provides special character options that can automatically insert the correct code into the Find What box. So, for example, if your document has unwanted extra paragraph breaks, you can search for $P and use Find Next to locate them. If you need to locate tabs, use $T. If you need to find manual line breaks, use $L. This can save you a huge amount of time. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.